What is the event name of the event, guys? Anyone
Internship
of
master.
great. That's the quality of a good participant in an event. So, introducing you to career dreams educations. Some of you are interns here. You showed your interest in the internship master, as you know the level of career dreams educations. And some of you are new here, and some of you are maybe are future interns. So, introducing you career dream educations. Uh, Mentioning the specifications of career dreams educations. First of all, we are MSME registered, we are ISO registered, and recently we got a ICTE registration too. We are having a lot of wings in career dreams educations. So elaborating that, before that, I may elaborate you or make you know the core of career dreams educations. The Karthik Gothwal sir, Chief Executive Head, Renu Bohra ma'am, Chief Operating Head, Vinayak Saxena sir, Chief Marketing and Financial Head, Rajiv Gupta sir. You all may be familiar with this name, the whole and soul of Career Dreams Education, a single one man army who has been controlling all the departments of Career Dreams Educations. Ria Jan ma'am, she's doing the same task that Rajiv sir is doing, but in the technical sector of Career Dreams Educations, that is Technophilia 1.0. Kaushik sir and Shikha ma'am. They are the managing heads of Money Batters, and me myself, Rajat Sharma, managing head Insta Placements. So I'm introduced with some of the wings. This is Career Dreams Educations, Whole and Soul. This is Technophilia 1.0. This is Money Batters. We have Business Now here. We have Insta Placements to provide you placements here. So I'll just elaborate in a quick recap for all these. Career Teams Educations, we provide quality internships and programs here. Technophilia is for engineering or technical based students. Money Batters is for accountancies or financial based students. Business Now is for entrepreneurs, those who want to grow their business. We have a different wing, Business Now, for them, and we don't keep up to you, we don't keep you towards only the internships, or that will have some interaction with you for 45 days, 30 days, or 15 days. We just have a wing named Insta Placements, which provide directly placements with the very core reputed companies to our interns and students from all over India. So, coming to the scenario of the meeting, which is regarding the information, I welcome all the participants to day two. Intern, the event name is Internship Master. So, am I is my screen visible to you, and am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, my heartily welcome to Mr. Karthik Gothwal, sir, founder and chief executive head of Career Dreams Educations, without whom Career Dreams Education is just anath types, without mother and father. He's whole and soul mother and father of Career Dreams Educations. We have Dr. Renu Bora, ma'am, central counselor and chief operating head, uh, a single woman and a complete army. I have no more words to say about her. We have Mr. Vinayak Saxena, sir, Edu Program Developer and Chief Marketing and Financial Head, the whole and soul caretaker of Career Dreams Educations. And next is Mr. Rajiv Gupta, sir, Managing Head, General Management. I literally have no words for Rajiv, sir. You all are welcome to the day two internship master here. And we have the judge for the competition, Miss Sneha Srivastava ma'am. I may open the mic for Miss Sneha ma'am to come up on the stage and guide us cute, little smiling participants and encourage them with a blast of encouragement so that they may give the boost up in the event itself.
Thank you, Rajat sir. Hello, people, and very good evening to the respected dignitaries and my dear participants. I would really like to thank Team CDE for inviting me as a judge in this internship master. So today the wait is over. Now you all have to change your mindset from the students to the managers. So we are waiting for your skills, your decision-making skills. I really love to see you all that how you put your decisions, how you make the decisions. So guys, all the best for this and for this event. Thank you so much, sir.
We are pleasure to have you here, ma'am. We were waiting from couple of months to introduce you as a judge in a couple of competitions in Career Dreams Education, but this is the only slot we got when you were free from a busy schedule. Thanks for coming and being the part of Career Dream Educations, ma'am, as a judge.
Thank you, sir.
So proceeding with we have chief coordinators here, without whose whole and soul involvement or their thinking level and the execution level, this event won't have existed. So we have Satakshi ma'am here, we have Shraddha ma'am here, we have Himanshi ma'am here. We all thank you, ma'am, for being the architect of this event, which is Virtual Mela 2021. And day coordinator, it's me. You all may be familiar with this face and with name. And now proceeding with the sub-coordinating team, Mr. Teja sir, Prashant sir, Praveen ma'am, Gitika ma'am, and Sakshi ma'am. So before going forward, I have a couple of questions from you. Do you know what level of quiz the internship master is going to be? Any random replies, fast.
Sir, manager level questions.
Okay, ma'am, that's the correct answer. It's a manager level questions prepared by the managers of different companies itself. We have been sitting and coordinating with them, and the set of questions have been prepared for our participants. So be ready for it. You will have to think like managers. You will have to develop the managing thinking to attempt those questions. So, introduction. The name itself suggests internship master. Name itself states the meaning. The mastermind will be awarded with a free internship from Career Dreams Educations, a very reputed association or a corporate world in its own. So how many of are you interested in free internship or getting access to a free internship from Career Dreams Educations? It would be a very good exposure for all of you to have internships in Career Dreams Educations, just in a way that you're getting a sponsorship for a internship here. So let me know how many of you are interested by just opening up your mics, just not feeling some lazy, come with full of Josh, and give me random replies. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
It's so excited, sir.
Only two.
So excited.
I have 35 participants here. So where is the Josh?
Guys, come on, hold the Josh, everyone.
Very much excited, ma'am and sir.
Excited, ma'am.
Excited, sir.
Thank you
See,
for
the
this
Josh should
random.
be. See, sir, the Josh should be like this. We are career, we are dreams. We are Career Dreams Educations, and welcome everyone, each and everyone, to give your time and patience and efforts. And we wish that you all achieve great success and heights. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. We may proceed further with the rules and all the introductory part. The timings. The timings for your competition will be 5:30 to 7. You will be starting right with the end of this meeting. So to tell you, internship master has a quiz. in which 9 questions will be of managerial level. It's not like a managerial level. You will have to think like managers. Questions of managerial level and questions to think like a manager and answer them are different things. Managerial levels questions are based on theoretical basis, and for practical basis we have to think like managers. And we have a last question. I just disclose the hint of a last question. We have, in the last question, you will have to make a future visiting card. आप अपने को 3 से 4 साल बाद कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं, कौन सी पोजीशन में देखना चाहते हैं और कौन सी कंपनी में देखना चाहते हैं. To just inform you, the last question is regarding making a future visiting card, your aim and ambition towards a post. At what post do you want to sit, or you wish to see you sitting 3 to 4 years later, and which would be your dream company. So just manage the time according to the last question. You will have to make a visiting card for you. We won't provide you any portfolio for it. I'll just mention you have to write the name of the company in the bold letter. Your snap or your photo is mandatory. Your number is mandatory, and the post you want to set is mandatory. Rules for the competition. Quiz का तो सभी को पता है. Quiz के rules कैसे होते हैं? The answer should not be copied from Google. We won't be receiving responses after exact 7:00:00. Think like a manager, not like a student. If 2 answers found same, both the participants will be terminated. If you are, it means if 2 of you are friends, someone हमदर्दी में जी भाई क्वेश्चन भेज देता है, ले जाओ जी, हमने तो कर लिया, आप भी कर लो. Caution and a warning towards both of the participants, you will be directly terminated there. I just open the meet for the queries. जिन बच्चों को queries है regarding internship master, future plans, या क्या चीज करनी है, कैसे करनी है, I open the meet for them. आप आ सकते हैं, अपनी queries पूछ सकते हैं. I, along with my sub-coordinators, is here to clear all your queries. Is anyone of you having query?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone having query? Guys, this is not fair. Internship master in itself is a brand, and you're not having that much enthusiasm to participate in it. You must be much enthusiastic to participate in it. Fast, guys, we have 15 minutes more. You can ask any queries because we will be busy in our next schedule for the next meeting after your event starts. One of us will be available to pick your calls. I'll just mention the number. Yes, guys. Anyone there? Okay, no one is there. I please ask Rajiv sir to address them.
Sir, one thing I want to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, do we have to design this visiting card, or do we need to like draw it somewhere on a piece of paper?
Sir, not on a piece of paper. I guess it's web, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So actually, I joined a little bit late,
Okay,
so I
sir.
just wanted to clear this thing
You
out.
can use softwares like Canva or Photoshop or Paint 3D to design it, because you will have a little bit perfection and creativity in that. It means that your poster or that visiting card should be digital, sir.
Okay, okay. Well, yeah, that's.
Yes, sir. So we have designed a scenario like that. For the quiz, you will be getting 1 hour, and half an hour has been left you for making the visiting card. So adjust your time according to that. Any queries from participant side? Okay. from the jury of the chief coordinators, please, may I proceed for the ending of a meeting?
Yes, sir, we can. Can we, sir?
From